So late in 2021, Instagram took pity on plebs like me with less than 10k followers and finally unlocked one of its best features, adding a link to an Instagram story. Yes, we no longer need a blue tick to promote our work, so in this video, I'm taking it to the next level. I'm going to show you how to add multiple links to your story because sure, we can show off one item with a single link, which I will still show you how to do, or we can up our game and show off our entire portfolio. Big business energy. Now to add multiple links, just click the first link in the description and feel free to skip the next chapter. And before you ask me in the comments section, yes, it is 100% free. All right, let's get into the video. Let's first start off with how to add a single link to an Instagram story within the app. We're going to open up Instagram here. We're going to press the plus icon and choose story. You can now choose to either record yourself or post a photo or video from your camera roll. Next, click the face icon in the top and then choose link. We now need to copy and paste the URL link for the web page that we want to redirect our viewers to. And here we have the option to customize sticker text. So you can go ahead and type in whatever it is that you want to call the link and hit done. You can now move it anywhere on the screen and then just click the arrow in the bottom right hand corner to post it to your story. Moving on to how to add multiple links to your Instagram story, we're going to head over to VEED's link in bio page. I will pop a link for this in the description. And now we're in here, all we got to do is scroll down and click get started now. And here we're going to type in the URL. You can choose whatever you want. It can literally be anything, but I'm going to go ahead and choose my name. And then once I've typed that out, I'm just going to click claim that URL. And now we need to type in an email and create a password. So you can just go ahead and do that now. And I'm going to do the same. Perfect. Now the next couple of steps are pretty self-explanatory, so you can just go ahead, fill in all of your relevant details, and now you can add all the links to your businesses, and you can even add your business branding here by turning on custom icon and uploading your business photo. Now once you've finished adding your business links, click add socials, click add social below it, and here we got a list of all the social networks that you can add, so just go ahead and fill in all your details. Next up is media, and here you can choose to paste the link of a YouTube video. I think this is a really good opportunity for you to use an introductory video, tell a little bit about yourself, but if you don't have one of those on YouTube already, there is a second option. So you can choose to embed videos on VEED, and if you click play, Alec from VEED here will talk you through the entire process. Now, if you don't want to add a video, you can always opt to add a photo instead. Just click upload photo and choose the one that you like best. Now, once that's loaded, we can click save and next, which will take us through to theme. Here we've got a ton of options, so just click down, have a look through all of them, find whichever one's going to work best for you, and once you've picked it, then click finish. Now you'll see your page is live. You've got the link here that you can copy and share to your story. You'll be able to revisit this page to check your analytics, and you can even make changes just by clicking edit page. Now let's head back into Instagram here and share the link to this story so we can show off our entire portfolio. Just the same as before, press the plus icon and choose story. You can now record your story, or you can choose to upload a photo or video already stored in your camera roll. Click the face icon in the top and then choose link. Now paste that URL that we just created and then click customize the sticker text. I'm going to call it Lauren's portfolio. Click here. You can now move it anywhere on the screen, and then you can just click the arrow at the bottom right hand corner to post your story. Also, as a side note, you can also use this link in your Instagram bio itself, just so your followers have access to your portfolio at all times. And that's it. That is how to share multiple links in an Instagram story and how to add a link in bio. I really hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you did, go on and give us a like, subscribe for more editing content and social media content, and leave me any comments or questions down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.